Hey everybody, we just got done drawing Flippy the Fish from Dogman. This is mine, this is Noah's. We're going to teach you how we did it, so we hope you have fun, and let's jump into it. Alright, Noah, what are we drawing today?
Destroy all do-gooders.
Destroy all do-gooders. That's what Flippy the Fish says in Dogman. So we are drawing Flippy the Fish from Dogman.
Yes.
Alright, so here we go. You got your Sharpie?
Yes.
Okay, the first thing that we are going to do in order to draw Flippy the Fish is just draw an oval like this. Okay, so it's going to look like this. Oval.
Eddie.
Nice. And then we're going to put a dot right here and a dot right here. And we're going to draw half an oval and connect those two dots like this. Good. Okay, and now we're going to draw a smiley face, kind of like a hot dog that goes underneath these two ovals, like this. Hot dog. Excellent. And we're going to draw a little smiley face like this. Nice. And then two little dots or circles like this inside the two ovals.
That looks like a frog.
That looks great. So that's just his eyes and his mouth. And now we're going to do his body, his fish body. Okay. So right here on top of that first big oval that we drew, we're just going to draw a line that goes out like that.
And the eye.
Yep, just out like this. Perfect. And at the bottom of his lip right here, we're going to draw a line that goes out like that. Kind of like a big moon almost. Nice.
Like imagine this line's going through here, but you don't see it.
Yep, exactly.
But it comes out.
Exactly. That's the way that we wanted to do it. See, it's like kind of a continuous one, but it's hidden by his face.
Yeah.
Okay, now right here we go in. Yeah.
In.
Yep. And now, once we're in here like this, we go out. Out with a curved line. Curved line that curves up. A curved
Like
line.
an end.
Yeah. And you'll do the same thing on the bottom one.
Like this.
Yep. Nice. And now I'm going to put a dot in the middle right here. Okay. And from this line, I'm going to draw a big curve that goes to that dot. And from this one, I draw a big curve that goes to that dot.
Big curve that goes to this dot. And big curve that goes to that dot.
Yep.
Dad, you made me do that. It's so
You're
much.
supposed to go from here to there.
Oh,
Oh, from here to there, sorry. And that's okay because he's striped, so you can make it look cool. So draw from there to there. Nice, perfect.
now it looks like he's cooler.
He looks way cool.
Looks like he has a shark fin.
So do you remember how you said that that line is hidden by his face?
Yeah.
We're going to do the same thing right here. We're going to do a line that's going to be hidden by his lip. It goes curve, stop, and then it's hidden, curve.
Right here. Curve, stop. Then curve, stop.
Yeah, good job. And now we'll just draw another line that follows. It's called parallel. It is parallel to this line. That means it's the exact same, but it never touches that line. It just goes alongside of it. And then we'll do another parallel line that goes along the side of it. And another parallel line that goes alongside of it, but stops. Keeps going there. Nice. So in this stripe, he has like bolts. So a circle, 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 all the way down that stripe.
Circle, 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 and circle.
Mm-hmm.
Circle.
Nice. And then not in this one. See, good. Not this one, but the next one over. And this one that I put a dot on.
Yeah.
And this one that I put a dot on.
Yeah.
We're gonna do the same thing. So not the next one, but this one. Circle, 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 circle. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to do a circle down here underneath his lip. Circle. And then another one to the side. Circle. And I'll tell you what those are going to be in a minute.
Circle.
Yep. Those are his little elbows to his little claws. So you go like that. Just draw a line from the side of it up to here.
Right.
Exactly. And then you draw another one that goes out in front of him. Good job. Same thing with this one. Okay. And then here we're going to draw a big C, but the C is backwards. Okay. So a big half circle. Like that. Nice. And you'll do the same thing right here. But it's kind of pointing down. Half circle.
Like upside down U.
Exactly. So now I'll draw a dot at the tip of both of these. And then a dot right here in the middle. I'm going to draw a line from this tip to that middle dot, and this tip to that middle dot.
Next tip to that middle dot.
Nice. And we'll do the same thing. Dot, 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 and then draw.
I'm one step ahead of
Yeah,
you.
those are his little claw hands. And that's our Flippy the Fish. You're all done.
Already done?
Already done. We just got to color him in. Yours looks great. You followed along really well.
Yeah.
Ready? Let's color him in.
Yep.
All right, there is our Flippy the Fish. Yours is amazing. I like how you did like the little psychic powers or whatever you call it.
Yeah,
Like,
psycho
the
powers.
psycho powers. Yours is awesome. Well, there's our Flippy the Fish. We hope you guys had fun. Give a thumbs up. And we'll see you next time.